Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Shillong Maubri Bhoi District kepada Urlong Sisin Citayo ha kisisa jan ha Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kadon bunjait kilkom hikai ha kalyang ka tem kaput bat karwai kasiau keyboard, guitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, khasi instruments bat khasi vocal. Kikana agi bahan news nem senang kila banwan pentebit hageneg music school bat amdan jinge nagam ta gi larang baru banwan pentebit hageneg music school.
We all will be very proud once it lands. We have to also understand that we will be the only fourth nation in the entire world that would have successfully landed in the moon, and we will be the first to have landed in the southern part of the moon. So therefore this will be a big step for India and a very strong message at the international level about the overall seriousness of India, about the capacity of India, and that India is now among those top countries that has got technology to send a mission to the moon.